Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox memory dump error on mobile. So if you are playing your games, you see low memory dump error. So I'm going to be showing you how to actually fix that. So the first step, you have to open up your Roblox account. So you can actually do that without uninstalling or deleting most of your apps, just to free up space. So the first thing you have to do, you just have to clear up the background just like this. Just clear it up, yeah, without actually having to like delete most of your apps. So another vital step you have to take is when you're actually playing the game, just like this right here. Yes, let's try to play Plants vs Brain Rot. So it's loading. Yeah, sorry, my screen had to turn. So if you're actually playing this game right here and it's showing low memory dump error, the first step you have to take is you have to click on this right here, this Roblox sign you can see on your screen. Yeah, here. So I cannot actually draw anything because I'm actually playing a game. So just click on that Roblox sign right there, click on settings, and you scroll down. Then you can see graphics mode. You can just change it to manual and you can just reduce it right here. So see if it's going to work, because this is one of the issues you're going to be facing while having that. So this is going to help you. Yeah. And now the next step you have to take, if after doing this and keep on popping up that message of memory dump error, you have to uninstall your Roblox account, your Roblox app, sorry, and you have to install it back. Or you can just go to your setting right here and click on apps, yeah, and Roblox, search for Roblox right here, and you have to click on full stop. So you're going to just click on it. Yeah, you're going to click on that, but before then you just have to click on the storage, and you can clear up the cache and also the data before you can just put it on full stop. If after doing that it doesn't work out, you can now uninstall it and reinstall it, and it's going to be fine. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.